Michael! Look at you, big boy! Go, Michael!
Nana, can you get Dada? Wow!
Go, Nana! Go, Nana! Go, Michael! Yeah! Look at you, champion! Look at you, Nana, champion! Oh, don't look at baby.
Mama.
Nannies! Where are you? Where are you, Nannies?
Michael.
Nanny girl!
Michael, can you come here for a minute?
Nannies!
Why do you want out,
Baby
Michael?
girl! Baby girl!
You want to do what? You want me to go swing you a noodle?
He wants to go see Rapunzel.
You want to go see Rapunzel?
Baby girl! Baby girl! Baby girl!
Where'd your shoe go?
Baby girl!
You put your foot in her place?
Baby girl!
No, it's okay.